In this Data Basin tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to create, edit, and import drawings, as well as how to enable and use comments within a Data Basin map. These features can be extremely useful for reviewing, creating, and exploring data, especially when you're collaborating with others. To start, I'm going to navigate to a sample map I already created for this example called Modesto, California Electrical Infrastructure. If you don't know how to create your own map, please check out that tutorial video before continuing with this one. Now that it's loaded, let's get familiar with the map. For this example, we'll pretend that I'm reviewing the location of substations and transmission lines near Modesto, California. The purple lines are transmission lines and the blue crosses are substations. To start, I'm going to add a few drawings using the drawing feature. To do this, simply expand the Drawings tab from the Layers view and click Create. This will open the Edit Drawing window. Here, we can change the drawing title, type, and color, as well as a few other settings depending on the drawing type, such as border color and border style. You can also edit the drawing's transparency using the slider at the bottom. This window can be moved anywhere at the page by clicking anywhere on the top banner. I'm going to zoom in and first create a new point feature here to represent an updated substation location. I'll call this layer Updated Substation Locations and select the point feature drawing type. I'm also going to change the color and the size to make it a little bit easier to see. Now, all I have to do is click on the map and drop my point. I'm going to put it about here. Since I'm happy with the location of my point, I can click Submit to finish the drawing layer. You'll notice it gets updated underneath this top left header. Now that we have our new substation, we're going to add the updated transmission line. To do this, I'm going to add a new drawing type and call it Updated Transmission Line Locations. I'll change the drawing type to line and leave the other settings as is. Now I can click to start drawing and click again to add a vertex. When I'm satisfied with my drawing, I can double click to finish. Before I submit this drawing, I want to edit a few of the vertices that I placed. To do this, I can hover over the drawing, right-click, and select Edit/Move. You'll notice that I can move the pre-existing vertexes, as well as add new ones. I'm going to move this one so that it lines up with the substation that I placed earlier. Now that I'm satisfied with this drawing, I can click Submit, and it will be added to the Drawing tab. By clicking the arrow next to each drawing layer, I can zoom to it, edit it, perform basic geoprocessing tasks like buffer, site assessment tool, or select intersection. I can export it to shapefile or remove it. Now that we have a few drawings added to our map, let's explore the commenting feature. To explore the comments, simply click the Comments tab. From here, you can add comments, turn on comment notifications, and if you're the owner of the map, you can adjust comment settings. By clicking the gear icon, I can open up the comment settings window. On the left, I can include instructions that appear at the top of the Comments tab. For example, I'll include, please review the new substation and transmission line locations. On the right, I can control comment visibility and the types of comments that are allowed, including marker, line, and area comments. I'm going to leave the settings the way they are and click the Submit button. You can see the instructions I added are now included at the top of the Comments window. Now let's add our first comment. To do this, all I have to do is click the Add Comment button. Here, I can select the type of comment I want to leave, including a marker, line, or area comment. For this example, I'm going to select area. I'll change the color to something with a little more contrast, and then I'll click and drag to make the area for my comment. Now, all that I have to do is type out my comment and then click Add Comment. You'll notice it will get automatically added to the Map and Comments tab, including who left the comment, what the comment is, and when the comment was left. You can also get this information by clicking on the map polygon. If you ever want to hide a comment, you can do so by clicking the checkbox in the top left corner. Finally, to export your comments, simply click the Export button, and your download will start. This can also be done with drawings. That's all for this Data Basin tutorial video. Thanks for watching.